Hi everyone, in today's video I'd like to show you how to create a playlist and save your loved video in YouTube. For this, go to your YouTube app, then choose the video you want to save and click on this three dot menu here. Now click on save to playlist, then click new playlist, make a name for it like tech. Then you can make it private for your own use or you can make it public. I am going to make it private, then click on create. So that's it guys. If this video helped you, please don't forget to subscribe and thanks for watching.